Hi, I'm Pinky, and today we have the Cooking Time Happy Kitchen Food Series and the Funny Food Pizza Party Set. Let's get started with the Cooking Time Happy Kitchen Food Series. Let's see what we have in this set. We have a pot, this is our frying pan, that's the inside of the frying pan. We have a cup, a pepper shaker, a cutting board, has a cute little bee design on it. We have a basket with some utensils. We have a cutting knife, a spoon, a fork, and a spatula. And we have a stove. And these are the dials to turn it off and on. Now let's look at the food we're going to cook today. A turnip, here we have a pepper, and this is a fish. Here we have a tomato, and last we have an egg. Let's get started preparing our food. Let's start with the turnip. We cut our turnip into 2 halves. Now we have 2 pieces of turnip. Now let's prepare our tomato. We cut our tomato into 2 halves. Now let's prepare our pepper. One, two pieces of pepper. Now let's prepare our fish. Two pieces of fish. 1, 2. It looks like the pot is ready. Now it's time to cook our fish. Let's add a little pepper to our fish. I think that's enough. Let's turn the stove down just a little bit. I think our fish is ready now. It's time to cook our turnip. Let's add a little seasoning to our turnip. Let's cut the stove up just a little higher. It looks like it's almost done. That looks delicious. Let's cook our tomato. Let's add a little seasoning to our tomato. I think our tomato is ready. It looks done. It's time to cook our pepper. Let's turn the stove up just a little higher. Let's add a little seasoning. I think it's ready. Now let's fry our egg. Let's season our egg. Our egg is done. It's time to prepare our pizza. We have one pizza, a spatula, a pizza cutter, a plate, and a salt or pepper shaker. Let's season our pizza. Let's cut our first slice of pizza. We have one slice of pizza. Let's cut our second slice of pizza. Let's cut our third slice of pizza. Let's cut our last 3 slices of pizza. We cut 6 slices of pizza. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with all of your friends. And let us know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching our videos. Hi friends, it's Pinky, and today we have the Funny Food Cutting Food Playset. Let's see what we have in the set. Corn, mushroom, eggplant, tomato, lettuce, potato, egg, and carrot. To prepare the food, we have a cutting knife and a cutting board. Let's prepare our potato. We cut our potato into 2 halves. 1, 2. Now let's prepare our corn. We cut the corn into 2 halves. 1, 2. It's time to prepare our eggplant. We cut the eggplant into 2 halves. 1, 2. Next, let's prepare our egg. We cut our egg into 2 halves. 1, 2. It's time to prepare our mushroom. We cut our mushroom into 2 halves. 1, 2. Let's prepare our carrot. We cut our carrot into 2 halves. 1, 2. It's time to prepare our tomato. We cut our tomato into 2 halves. 1, 2. Next, let's prepare our lettuce. We cut our lettuce into 2 halves. 1, 2. Now let's cook our food. Let's let that cook for a few minutes. That smells delicious. It's almost done. Just a few more minutes. I think it's done. That looks great. Look at all of the food we prepared today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with all of your friends. Thanks for watching.